Good morning. Today I will discuss a topic that is ocean thermal energy conversion, a non-conventional energy resource system, OTEC, and energy conversion. So first of all, we discuss about the ocean thermal energy conversion, its activity and processes its energy. The department process and energy that is subcategorized into energy technology, engineering, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, intensive field, reaction and separation system. Basically, ocean thermal energy conversion, the name indicates itself that one is the ocean. The surface of the temperature of the sea level or surface of the ocean, the temperature is according to the surrounding temperature of the atmosphere. It is up to 25 to 27 degree centigrade in the normal days, but when we measure the temperature at below the depth of 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of the depth of the sea level, then the temperature found is that up to 5 to 7 degree centigrade. So here this is a temperature difference, 27 degree centigrade at the top of the sea level and below the 1000 meter of the surface level of the sea, the temperature of the water is up to 5 to 7 degree centigrade. So here the temperature gap occurs at 27 degree centigrade to the below temperature 7 degree centigrade. So the difference of temperature is 20 degree centigrade, and that temperature difference causes the enhance the electrical energy, and that temperature difference causes to obtain the electricity. Now the efficiency of a reversible thermodynamic cycle, because it is based upon this, we know that the energy is transferred from hot body to cold body in Kelvin-Planck statement, and in the Clausius statement energy is transferred from cold body to the hot body with the help of the external force or external work. So here that if the QH is the hot reservoir temperature, QC is the cold reservoir heat and its temperature, and work obtained by the power cycle is WT. So we know that the Carnot cycle efficiency is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1, where T2 is the lower temperature and T1 is the higher temperature. So here that TC is the cold reservoir temperature and TH is the hot reservoir temperature. But when we go for the Kelvin-Planck statement, as such the example of the refrigerator and the heat pump, the heat is transferred from lower body temperature to the higher body temperature. The work is input according to the figure it is shown. So COP of heat pump as well as refrigerator is TH upon TH minus TC, and for COP of refrigerator that is TC upon TH minus TC. Now the efficiency of the power cycle, that diagram indicates in between the thermal efficiency and temperature lift per Kelvin. So the Carnot cycle efficiency and the temperature 200 to 1200 Kelvin and the efficiency up to 0.8, Carnot cycle की efficiency जो होती है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. Now the mean annual temperature difference between 20 and 1000 meter, ये जो temperature difference है वो अलग अलग टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस 26 सरफेस पे दिखा रहा है और 18 जो है वो बिलो देन 1000 मीटर यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस दिखा रहा है. नाउ इफिशिएंसी ऑफ ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी कन्वर्जन साइकिल एंड इफेक्ट ऑफ हीट एक्सचेंज डिज़ाइन. थर्मल इफिशिएंसी एंड टेम्परेचर के बीच में जो ग्राफ है दैट टेम्परेचर 20 केल्विन, 10 केल्विन, 5 केल्विन एंड 0 केल्विन. Finite flow of reservoir fluid, hot reservoir to cold reservoir, the power cycle output, the graph of the temperature and enthalpy is goes according to this way. This is the efficiency of ocean thermal energy conversion cycle and effect of heat exchanger device, the graph in between temperature and enthalpy. Effect of working fluid section, temperature, enthalpy for pure fluid ammonia and temperature and enthalpy for mixture ammonia water up to 96%. The graph goes according to this way. Effect of working fluid section per cycle design: temperature, pure fluid ORC, temperature, mixture. This is the Kalina cycle. Now effect of cycle design: multi-stage versus Kalina cycle, that the graph line goes according to this way. Now efficiency of OTEC cycle and effect of heat exchanger device. We know that heat exchanger is a medium by which we use the working fluid. We know that some fluid or some medium whose boiling point is very less, such as the ammonia, which are used in the refrigerant, that the boiling point is ammonia up to -5 degrees centigrade, and that below temperature of the boiling point we use as a heat exchanger, because the steam is generated at a low temperature and that steam is used to convert into the form of the electrical energy. This is the heat exchanger device. We know that the plate and the working fluid is going from one side and water is going from another side, and these are the main working of the heat exchanger: main flow direction in and main flow direction out. The heat exchanger modeling for optimization purpose: we optimize that how to improve the efficiency of ocean thermal energy conversion, that the temperature and heat exchange is goes for de-absorber and absorber. Now the relative price in Caribbean countries: Suriname name, Cadel name, BHMS, Jamaica, Antigua, Saint Vincent, Barbados, Gilves. So these are the energy obtained by the various Caribbean countries. Ocean thermal energy is probably based upon the where the quality of the are always the availability of the water. So it is only be possible when the sea or the depth level is to be maintained throughout the season. The economic feasibility, the specific cost, the values different into this way. Integration with solar energy, air conditioning and sea water desalination. सबसे पहला जो वाटर हमें ऑब्टेन्ड होता है ड्यू टू द ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी कन्वर्सन, द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द OTEC इज बेस्ड एज सच दैट जो टेम्परेचर हमें मिल रहा है सरफेस पे वाटर के और जो टेम्परेचर हमें मिल रहा है 1000 मीटर बिलो द वाटर लेवल, तो दोनों का टेम्परेचर जो डिफरेंस हो रहा है 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड का, उसी टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस को हम यूज़ में लाके हम उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. तो द प्रोसेस हाउ इट्स कैरी ऑन द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ OTEC, द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द OTEC सच एज ओपन सिस्टम, क्लोज सिस्टम, हाइब्रिड सिस्टम. तो ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी कन्वर्जन का जो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल यही है कि हम टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अब जितनी स्टीम की क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी उतनी ज़्यादा हमको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन ज़्यादा बेहतर मिलेगी. तो दिस इज़ द इंटीग्रेशन विद सोलर एनर्जी, एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड सी वाटर डिस्टिलेशन. तो ऑल द प्रोसेस: कोल्ड सी वाटर इज़ शोन हियर, 1000 मीटर वार्म सी वाटर सरफेस. सन से हम वाटर के सरफेस का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हीट हो रहा है और अंदर जो है वो टेम्परेचर जो है वो कम है. उस वाटर को हम पंप के मीडियम से बाहर एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अब एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के बाद सोलर कलेक्टर से उस वाटर को हीट हम कर रहे हैं. एवोपरेटर है, एवोपरेटर विच इनहेंस द स्टीम टेम्परेचर एंड इट गोज़ ऑन द टरबाइन. टरबाइन से हमें जनरेटर के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलेगी. रेस्ट जो स्टीम होगी हम कंडेंसर से ठंडा करेंगे, वो वाटर में कन्वर्ट होगा. अगेन वाटर पंप के थ्रू ये एवोपरेटर के थ्रू सी लेवल में जाएगा और दीज आर यूज एज द प्रोसेस. तो इसका हमने अटैचमेंट सी इंस्टॉलेशन और एयर कंडीशनिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग से भी दिखा दिया है. नाउ OTEC सिस्टम चैलेंजेस इंक्लूड्ड इन सच ए वे: OTEC cycle related, dedicated correlation, heat and mass transfer and pressure drop, cycle optimization, working fluid optimization, heat exchanger optimization, expander design, technology for waste heat recovery, integration of solar energy related, use of solar energy for supporting high pressure side increase, need for latent heat storage, economic feasibility, modification of experimental setup for validation process, integration of direct contact uh, system, that is detailing of direct contact condensation including nozzle design, experimental setup design construction, and validation experimental setup. So these are the different system where OTEC system related to different challenges and its conclusion.